This tutorial is going to tell you how to use the Natural Products Atlas to search for compounds based on authors involved in each study. There are two ways that you can do this. The simplest way is to go to the Advanced Search page, and in the Advanced Search page to choose Reference Authors, String Search, and then the surname of the author. So I'm going to choose my own surname here, and we'll see what we get. And this returns a table which has all the compounds associated with papers in which that name is included in the author list. You can download these results in a TSV file. You can also graze through them. If you want more information about how to use this page, you can look at the Advanced Search tutorial. However, this does not work very well for authors who have very common surnames. And so an alternative is to use the author dashboard in the Discover page. So if we go to the author dashboard, here we have choices either to search by ORCID ID. So the author dashboard works by looking at the author profile in ORCID. So to be successful, the author has to have an up-to-date ORCID profile. In this case, I'm going to search by name, and I will put in just my last name, and search, and our database will search ORCID for all the authors who have this as a last name. This is me here, and if I select this, the atlas will then take the papers associated with that author in ORCID and look and see which of those papers are in the atlas, and then present a range of information about those papers. So here's a timeline of all the natural products discoveries which I have been involved in, as well as some information about total syntheses of some of these products. There is a rolling window here that shows you about their structures, as well as information about their journal articles, the original DOIs, and which compounds go with each of these papers.